Everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my this video, I will tell you about the auto restarting problem in your device Samsung A20e. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. So if your phone is having the issue regarding like it is automatically restarts or turn off or like it is restarting again and again, you can solve this issue by the method as I'm showing in my this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video, and at the end you will able to learn how you can solve the auto restarting problem in your device Samsung A20e. Let's watch the video.